Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the projects I made for the collab that I'm doing with my friend Deb, who is Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. Here on YouTube, we're calling this Crafting with Kits collaboration. We're going to work on a kit each month and show what we've made so far on the 20th. So for this month I decided to pull out an older paper pumpkin kit. This is from January 2019 called Be Mine Valentine. And it made a bunch of pillow boxes, which I did not need. I do have an extra one here somewhere. Here it is. The pillow boxes were decorated like this on one side, or you could use the reverse side and get the blue ones. And then it came with pre-printed die-cut little kangaroos, and if you cut a slit across the line in their tummy to form a pocket, you could stick a heart inside. And then it also came with pairs of chameleons and some little heart stickers. And then a stamp set and an ink spot. So I used these elements to make some Valentine cards. So the first thing that I did is I made some cards using this Karen Burniston die set called Waterfall Card. And you basically use your own card base, any size that will fit, but this die set cuts out the waterfall elements and then has a few extra decorative pieces. So I used that to create this card right here. This was a little background stamp in the paper pumpkin kit, and these were the little heart, enamel heart embellishments that came in the kit. So I just did a little cluster up here and a little cluster down here. And then I cut apart all of the pillow boxes and used the red side and the blue side alternatively. And then here is the kangaroo, where I cut a slit across that line and tucked a little heart in, and then the hearts came in the kit. I went over this one with Wink Stella. And then as you pull it down, here's the chameleons. One of the sentiments was "You're one in a chameleon," and again a heart that I colored with Wink Stella. And then this was another element from the kit. I die cut hello from a die in my stash, added one of the little heart embellishments. And this one I left blank, and then I'll just cut probably a white square rectangle and that's where I'll have my granddaughter sign her name. So I made these for her to use for some special friends for Valentine's Day. And then there's another panel on the back if she wants to write more. But I have two of them in red, and then two of them in this blue. Otherwise, basically, they're all the same. Then with the leftover hearts and chameleons and everything else, I just went ahead and made these little tiny ATC size Valentines. These scallop circles were part of the paper pumpkin kit as well. For these hearts, I went over them with glossy accents. So I've got all of these that say "You're one in a chameleon." My granddaughter and some of her friends are kind of getting into the puns, so I thought she might enjoy these for using for her Valentines. And then I thought she can either sign on the back, or if she's interested, we can use this as an element on a different size card. And then for the leftover kangaroos and scraps of the pillow boxes, I made this one with the kangaroo "Happy Valentine's Day." And again, cut open the pocket, and I put a dimensional behind this heart so it'll stick out. And then I thought my grandson, who is 3, they do a Valentine's party at his daycare. I thought he could use these for his Valentine's. So anyway, took me a while to use the kit, but when I finally did use it, I got quite a few projects done. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.